Here we've got ZTE Blade 10, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, you need to open Settings, then find and select Security and click on Advanced. Here you will notice SIM card lock smoothly marked, and as you can see here we've got Change SIM PIN function. So click on it, and at first you need to enter the old PIN. Click on OK then. And now it's time to provide a new one. So it can be, let me go back, it can be 2580, click on OK, and then re-enter it to confirm. And that's it. As you can see, SIM PIN has been changed, so congrats, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.